Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Tuesday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're a little bit, what do I want to say, a little bit casual today. It's, kind of a weekend of, our week. It's sort of holiday week here in the U.S., As you know, on Thursday, some of you may know, we're celebrating Thanksgiving, which is a big holiday here. So we're, just going through the next couple of days. Anyway, we're working pretty hard on the retail awards. We have a lot of retailers coming, which is coming up in January 27th. Quite a few more sponsors. We'll talk about that as time goes on. A lot of new jury members that are retailers and also owners of very interesting retail properties that some people might want to be in. Also on Friday is our deadline for the CEE retail guide going out at Mapix. So if you have a commercial real estate property, a shopping center, or a retail park, and you've got some opportunities for retailers to move into it, let us know. We definitely want to get them into this edition. We've got a Mapic. They've got over 1,000 retailers coming. A lot of them, I think any retailers that would be there now, probably looking to expand in the region. So we want to see you all there. Also, now we'll just shoot over to the news. We've got Winston Norman in Warsaw right now, waiting for us to jump on the news. So we got a little 20-second break, which will you'll learn a little bit more about our retail awards. Again, January 27th, Warsaw InterContinental. Put that in your calendar. We're covering all of Central Eastern Europe. Over 100 retailers coming to it. We've got our marketplace as well. So if you've got you've got some opportunities for retailers and you want to meet some during the day at our deal making marketplace, we've got tables still available to be booked. So let us know about that. Anyway, we'll shoot over to Winston. Everyone enjoy the rest of the day, and we will see you tomorrow. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the headlines from the EuropaProperty.com website for Tuesday morning. And we'll start today in Poland in the logistics market, where Makari Asset Management has continued to expand its presence in the logistics real estate sector by acquiring a portfolio of CityFlex properties in Poland from 7R for more than 63 million euros. The 80,000 square metre last mile logistics portfolio, acquired in several stages since last September, is comprised of 4 newly completed assets and 2 facilities under construction. They all occupy prime locations in key urban areas throughout the country and all are 100% leased and have been awarded good or very good ratings under BREEAM's Sustainable Building Certificates. Makari's footprint in Polish logistics market now is 480,000 square metres. And according to Dana Gibson, she's the co-head of Makari Asset Management in Europe, the pandemic has shone a spotlight on the vital role of logistics real estate sector plays in underpinning efficient global supply chain demands. Moving on and staying in Poland and with the investment market, where CCIM has successfully signed and closed the sale of Espolna 4749 in Warsaw. The property totals around 7,700 square metres of GLA, and the sale has closed at a premium to the 31st December 2020 book value. The property was acquired by Jaro Polska, and according to Hedwig Hoffler, he's the head of investment management at CCIM. He says, with the sale of Espolna, we have further increased our focus on large modern Class A office properties in established or emerging office submarkets. This disposal was another step in our capital rotation program, which aims to secure and increase the attractiveness and sustainability of our real estate portfolio. Moving on and staying in Poland, and Axi Immo have released its latest development report on the Polish warehouse market for quarter 3 2021. And according to AXI, completions in Q3 increased in total logistics and industrial stock to 22.4 million square metres. There is 3.4.6 million square metres under construction, of which 1.22 million square metres are developments without secured leases. And in Q3, gross take-up amounted to 1.44 million square metres, which is a plus 16% year-on-year increase. And this is expected due to the increase in interest and need for e-commerce and logistics segments of the sector. And the correlation of strong demand and moderate new supply has affected the vacancy rate, which stood at 5.04% at the end of September 2021. This is reflected in the warehouse investment market, with nearly 50% of the share of the total investment in Poland for the first 3 quarters of 2021. The total volume of investment transactions in Poland's commercial real estate sector added up for the first 3 quarters of 2021 amounted to 3.53 billion euros. The warehouse real estate segment is responsible for nearly half, around 1.7 billion euros. In Q3, around 800 million euros alone was invested. And this strong investor appetite observed in Q3 has resulted in further compression of yields, with big box facilities valued at 4.5 to 5% and warehouse space at around 4.25 to 4.5%. And according to Renata Ojeka, she's the managing partner of AXIMO, she says the warehouse real estate sector is taking full advantage of its opportunity. After years of domination by office and retail properties, it is now at the forefront of foreign interest. Investors are focused on large multi-tenant warehouse hubs, which account for more than half of all transactions this year. And finally for today, and staying in the logistics and warehouse sector, Panattoni is further developing the warehouse stock of Lower Silesia in Poland and is developing Panattoni Park Wrocław 8, which will eventually comprise of 2 buildings with a combined area of the companies to take up 15,000 square metres of office and warehousing space. The new space is set to be occupied by mid-2022. And according to Homer, they are developing and growing, and as a result, they need more warehousing space for their clients. Panattoni Park Wrocław 8 is certified under the BRAM certification. And according to Panattoni, this location provides excellent access not only to other cities in Poland, but also to Germany and Southern Europe. And those are the headlines for today. For more news, please log on to EuropaProperty.com, where you can find all the latest news and updates. Thanks very much.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.